Hello, my name is Sophie Neitzel. We know that the collection of data and presentation of information is key to manage fisheries effectively. We often assume that developing world fishers have poor numerical and graphical literacy and therefore are unable to understand and use fisheries management information. In this study, we question this assumption. We worked together with Indonesian small-scale tuna handline fishermen who were involved in data collection and management. We wanted to find out if these fishermen can first understand the information produced, second, recognize the consequences of their own actions in this information, and third, see value in using the information to guide their future fishing practices. So, we presented different information displays, graphs and tables, to these fishermen. The displays were based on data collected from them. The displays included maps, tables, line charts, pie charts, and bar charts. We interviewed 20 tuna handline fishermen on Buru Island, Maluku Province in Indonesia. We showed them graphs and tables and asked questions about the various aspects of these graphs and tables to find out about their understanding. We also asked questions about their interpretation of the graphs and whether they found them useful for their own decisions at sea. These scientific displays appear to be understandable even for fishermen with poor numerical and graphical literacy. Overall, however, our results show that face-to-face explanation remains necessary when communicating numerical and graphical information to fishermen. For example, 2 fishermen made a graph of their own catch per month. The black line here represents the aggregated tuna catch per fisher per month for 2014. The data were obtained from an enumeration program in which these fishermen participated, so the data were from their own fishery. The blue line is how the fisherman drew his own catch over these months. As you can see, these graphs showed a large difference in their understanding of the display. Our results also indicate that representation and value on the y-axis are clearly linked to understanding on the x-axis. However, understanding was not the most important criterion when we asked the fishermen to rank all of the information displays from most to least important on the horizontal line. To our surprise, we found that displays as maps and tables, which they did not understand completely, were considered to be highly valuable. It also appeared that the sequence in which the graphs and tables were presented did matter. This indicates that displays should be presented and explained in gradation from simple to more complex forms. Our results are important because of the ongoing development of mobile technologies. These are already used to incentivize fishermen to contribute to data and information collection and engage with this information. Such mobile technologies would benefit from selecting suitable information displays, presenting these in a guided sequence, and monitor how fishermen use this information to make decisions on the water. A lot of attention should be given to forms of communication with fishermen that allow for more reflexive decision-making. This requires a shift to user-centric information systems. Our article, published in Fisheries Research, gives direction in how this can be achieved.